Hey guys, welcome back to Fit After 50. Welcome to today's workout. Today we are doing 10 minutes of core. We have 10 exercises, no repeat guys, 45 seconds on, 15 seconds off. We're getting started in about 15 seconds according to the countdown clock, and we're starting off with scissor kicks. Remember, 45 seconds. Let's get down on the ground. Do these on my count. I don't want you to do it quickly. I want you to do them slowly. Ready? 3, 2, 1, and let's go. 1, 2. On my count, 45 seconds. That's all there's to it. Nice and easy. Support the lower back with your hands if you have to. You can raise your head off the ground, push that lower back to the ground, and keep going. 25 seconds left. We're doing 10 minutes of core today. Don't rush this. Keep it up. Less than 10 seconds, guys. We got it. 3, 2, 1, and relax. We have 15 seconds of vacation time. Now we are moving on to Russian twists. You can keep your legs on the ground if you like. If you feel up to it, raise them up in the air. 3, 2, 1, and let's go. 45 seconds, once again. All the work today is 45 seconds long. Keep it up. Stay right here. 25 seconds left. Stay with me. Keep twisting. You got this. We got this. It's tough for me too. Less than 10 seconds left. Let's go. My workouts, I always say, are your workouts. In fact, I just finished working out, and this is my core workout for today. And 15 seconds of relaxation. All right, get into plank position. We're gonna do some hip raises. So give me a nice plank. Then when you raise up from here and straight up towards the ceiling. Ready? 3, 2, 1, let's go. Up and down. As high as you can go, and then back down. Always under control. Keep that tension on that core. Constant. You can't really see the clock from here. So when I hear the 3-second countdown, I'll know. Till then, we just keep moving. Down. Raise up and keep going. Keep it tight. 3, 2, 1, and that's it. Whew. All right, now we're gonna do L-sit toe touches. I'm about as flexible as a 2x4, but you're gonna get those legs up in the air, and you're gonna crunch up towards your toes. Ready? 3, 2, 1, get those legs up and just reach up, reach up. This has all to do, I think, a lot to do with my flexibility more than anything else, but just reach up, scrunch up. Stay right here, keep going. 30 seconds left. Good crunches. I couldn't touch my toes, my life depended on if I wasn't doing crunches. So I wasn't expecting to get anywhere close here. Keep burning it. It's burning. 10 seconds left, keep it up. Three, 2, 1, thank God that's over. All right, now we're gonna get down on the ground. We're gonna do some mountain climbers, but they're gonna be mountain climbing jumps. Get those knees on the outside of your arms. 45 seconds, this is gonna be a good cardio workout also. Ready, 3, you gotta make sure you got enough room. Let's go, like this. 1, 2, outside, outside, keep going. Stay here. Keep it up, keep it up. Keep jumping with me. Not easy, me neither. Few more. 2, 1, woo. All right, back on our backs, and we're doing some bicycles. Woo, that was a tough one. All right, you guys all know what bicycles are. Been doing these since grade school, right? Ready? Let's go. 1. Keep it up. Stay here. Beautiful. Ten seconds, come on. 2, 1. Woo. All right, flip right on over, nice and easy. Go to some Superman kicks. So you can keep your hands in front of you, keep them behind you, makes it a little bit easier. I'm gonna keep them behind me partially because I have no room, partially because it's easier. Legs up and just give me a flutter kick. Stay right here. Arms up in the air, not on the ground. You're flying through the sky. Stay with me. Squeeze those butt cheeks together. Get those legs, get those quads off the ground if you can. Keep everything straight, point your toes, and fly. Fly with me, come on. "17 seconds left. Stay with me. Keep everything tight, keep kicking, keep kicking. 5 seconds, guys. We got this now. 3, 2, 1, and boom. Beautiful. All right, now we're flipping back over to our butts, and we are going for crunchy frog. If you've been here long enough, you know exactly what that exercise is. You can do it individual legs or do it in both legs. I'm gonna do both. Legs together, legs out. Together. My legs feel like concrete blocks right now. Feels great. Stay with me. A little less than 30 seconds left. We got this. "10 seconds. Stay with me. Keep pushing. Keep moving. 3, 2, 1, and down. All right. We have 2 exercises left. Let's go to a plank hold. 45 seconds of planks. Just the hold. Nice and tight. Good positioning. Ready? In 3, 2, 1, and hold. Keep it right here. Breathe out. Relax. We only have 1 exercise left after this one. Stay right here. Stay with me. 20 seconds left. Everything tight. 50 seconds less. Keep it here, keep it here. 5 seconds. 3, 2, 1, and relax. All right, flip on over. Last one. For the last time, we're going for reverse crunches. But not just a reverse crunch. Here, I want you, if you can, get those toes all the way up to the ceiling. Ready? 2, 1, up, and back down. And push it up, and back down. Keep going. I'm not talking much because I'm tired. This is a rough one. Keep going. Keep going. Come on. Stay with me, 10 seconds. That means 3 or 4 more. This is probably the last one. Here we go, one more. Woo. Well, thank you for joining me today at Fit After 50, guys. Once again, let me turn this phone off. Very annoying, there's an ad playing on this timer after these workouts. Anyway, thanks for joining me today at Fit After 50, guys. This was our 10-minute, no repeat core workout. I hope you enjoyed it. I did. I'm tired. Don't forget, workouts do come out every Monday and every Thursday. Check them out, subscribe, leave a like, leave a comment down below, and I'll see you guys during your next workout.